This is Lifestyle, guys.
Welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Today,
as you can see the waterfall behind us, we are at Water Sisulu Botanical
Garden. Okay, guys, this is the second time we're coming here. Last 2 years ago, exactly this time we're here, guys. Memories.
And we called our name on that
tree.
We're gonna go and check it out.
We'll check it out
for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And hit the notification button, guys, so that each time we post a beautiful video, you'll be the first to be notified.
Guys, we are just touring the best places to be in Johannesburg, outings, Pretoria,
and South Africa as a whole, guys.
And South Africa as a whole.
And worldwide.
And worldwide soon. Okay?
So guys, we want to start a journey of 1,000 miles. You know, begins with the first bow step. The first bow step. And we started it already, guys.
Yes, and it was 160.
160 to get in here, guys.
For both of us.
For both of us. So just divide it, you know. These are collectors. 160 divided by 2. You know.
You can be here the whole day as much as you like, and you can take nice pictures next to the waterfall. I just know that way today. Oh my God. I dare you. Okay, wait for me, wait for me. I win. Okay, let's do it again. Let's do it one more time. Okay, ready? I'm going to now. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, I'm surviving. Alright, that's what I did. Yeah. That was too easy.
Let's take it back, you know.
There is.
Okay,
Do you think we should still wait? Maybe they'll perform. Today's Friday, ne?
yeah. Yeah, this is a tree. Guys, 2 years ago we're here.
We were here celebrating my birthday. Yes.
Yeah, birthday.
What is that?
Huh?
What is that?
Yeah.
hiking alone. Shouldn't start hiking, man.
This hiking.
Dam and that hike. Let's go see. View mountain, via mountain view walk. At least it was just in the canny.
Uh-huh.
Right. I think this side is more for picnics.
Yeah. I'm sure. It's more for picnic. Wow, this place is big.
Oh.
Doesn't work.
No water.
Look at that deck down there.
The You guys see that? I think you should review it every time you come.
Auntie.
Harder.
I want to put in here.
Okay, he's drawing a heart, y'all. You need another one. See, he's kind of outside.
It's inside.
Why is he going outside the lamp over?
See?
Put some muscle into it, daddy. Put that muscle around. Guys, the commitment, not only to the relationship, but to the rights. It's the commitment for me. My God. He is serious about life, this guy. Look at them. So he's currently carving tea. Tea and tea life is entirely. You guys see that? Oh wow, babe, that end is ending. The end is ending. For you guys. You guys see that?
It is.
Beautiful, beautiful, daddy. So we'll come every 2 years and renew it. Each other.
want to go out.
There's a hiking path. You could even go there and then you come back. Guys, this is the lunch that Chivago packed for us. Thank you, Daddy. Cheers. These are the sandwiches, they're so cute. Cheers. Now, wow, you're so cute, babe. I couldn't ask for a better man. Hey, blushing. Why did you take yours out? Cheers. Are you comfortable sitting like that? Nothing beats homemade food here. Oh, tuna is actually nice.
Do what, maybe?
you ready? Don't fall inside the river. The water. I think we should take places like that now.
Which one?
Let's post the camera. Whenever you see something. Babe, don't go inside, ne?
There's water. Oh.
Okay, say something. Let me stand that side and then say something. Let's see if we can hear you.
Start it.
Yeah. Go that side, Baba. As fast as you can.
As fast as I can.
Can you run? Guys, he's gonna say something on the other side.
Love you, baby.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Love you.
Love you. Say it again.
Love you.
Who's that guy? Na, 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 na. Who's that guy? Na, 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 na.
We didn't even take anything to wipe our face.
Nothing.
Okay, come up and take.
There's a towel in the bag now.
Okay.
I must do it.
Is it fine? Let me go.
It's the dancing for me. Yay! Yay!
Guys,
We are tired.
this place is so large. Very, 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 very big, guys.
Yeah, we found ourselves almost hiking.
Serious.
We're almost hiking, baby.
Guys, this place is
We had
so
to come back.
huge.
And we still haven't gone up there.
There are so many places that we haven't gone. We are tired, guys. If you actually like, you know, we are just showing places that you can chill, have a nice vibe. You can even study, like, you know, just have a cool head. So many picnic, natural. It's just a natural environment, like, you know.
Yeah. We're just here to show you guys what we can, but we didn't come here to hike. I'm not dressed to hike. So maybe next time.
Yeah, next time.
I don't even like hiking.
If you come inside here, there are a lot of things that you can do, like, you know, you have to bring your things for picnic by yourself. You
Except a drone.
Except a drone. They don't want a drone in here, and you can bring your food, but no alcohol.
No alcohol and no glass.
No glasses, yeah.
Okay, y'all.
Guys, thank you for watching this amazing video.
We love you guys so much. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
drop your comments, guys. We need your comments. We want to know
what you guys think
what
about
you guys think about this type of place, this place that we're showing you, where you want the type of videos you like.
Yeah,
like, you know, to also keep up, like give us the spirit to do what we are doing.
Yeah guys, we always see your comments, your love and support, and we thank you guys for that. We will see you guys on the next video.
Hit the notification button, guys. Hit it.
I'm so tired.
Hit it, so that each time we post, you'll be the first one to know.
Exactly, and we are back every single week with new videos, so stay tuned guys. We love you.
We love you, P, and love you.